I'm Alex Kell. I'm at MIT in Brain and Cognitive Sciences. I like playing frisbee. I like being outside, and I really like studying hearing. So I'm a cognitive and neuroscientist who studies hearing, and I use computation to understand how we hear. So there are just a bunch of sounds out in the world, and they hit our ear, and very quickly we're able to extract a lot of useful information about what's going on. And so the brain is a certain kind of computer, and so we just have certain representations and computations, certain data structures and certain algorithms that allow us to go from that sound out in the world to extract this really rich information. So I study what are those representations and what are those computations. How do we hear? I was attracted to the DOE CSGF because of the emphasis on computation. In neuroscience and in cognitive science, the kinds of papers, the kind of work that jazzes me up the most are papers that blend like computation and neural data, or computation and behavioral data, or computation and statistics of the environment. And so I feel like to be the kind of cognitive and neuroscientist I want to be, I want to further develop those computational chops, just become more computationally sophisticated. And I feel like the DOE CSGF kind of gives me the structure and the opportunities to further develop myself. What do I see at the end of the CSGF fellowship? Hopefully I've gained a lot of computational skills and further develop those. And ideally, I want to pursue a career in academia, like teaching and mainly research and doing some fun, engaging, interesting computational auditory work and mentoring students and teaching people and just trying to understand like how the brain works. That sounds pretty fun to me.